HPE7-A04 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. In a leaf-spine network topology, what is the correct connectivity model between the switches? A. Each leaf switch interconnects with every other leaf switch. B. Every leaf switch connects directly to each spine switch. C. Each spine switch connects to all other spine switches in a mesh. D. Leaf switches connect to a single spine switch only. The answer is B. In a spine leaf architecture, all leaf switches connect directly to every spine switch to ensure full fabric connectivity and predictable latency. This non-blocking design allows equal-cost multipathing, ECMP, and avoids single points of failure. Spines never connect to each other, reducing complexity. Leaf switches act as access points for servers or aggregation layers. This design provides horizontal scalability and consistent performance across the network. When a top-of-rack switch faces the server ports, which airflow direction is typically required for optimal cooling? A. From rear to front, back to front. B. From front to back. C. Airflow direction is irrelevant. D. Use fanless switches to minimize heat. The answer is A. For top-of-rack, TOR, or middle-of-rack switches facing server ports, airflow should move from the cold aisle, rear, to the hot aisle, front, also known as back to front. This ensures that cold air from the data center's cooling system flows through both the servers and switches effectively. Reversing the airflow can cause overheating and inconsistent cooling zones. The choice aligns with typical hot, cold aisle containment design principles. Therefore, back-to-front airflow maintains thermal efficiency in dense environments. In a VSX deployment, how must the inter-switch link, ISL, be connected? A. Through an intermediate router. B. Directly between the two VSX members. C. Routed through a keep alive VLAN. D. Via a Layer 3 aggregation switch. The answer is B. The VSX inter-switch link, ISL, must always be a direct physical connection between the two peer switches. This design ensures low latency and high reliability for synchronization and control plane exchange. Indirect or routed links introduce delay and risk split brain scenarios. The ISL carries synchronization data, control messages, and sometimes user traffic for redundancy. Hence, direct cabling is mandatory for stable VSX operation. What technology should be chosen for data center interconnect, DCI, when sites are in different geographic locations? A. VSX. B. ERPs combined with VRRP. C. Spanning Tree Protocol, STP. D. VSF. The answer is B. When connecting data centers across geographical distances, ERPs, Ethernet ring protection switching, with VRRP provides both Layer 2 protection and gateway redundancy. ERPs ensures loop-free connectivity and fast recovery, while VRRP offers resilience for default gateway functions. VSX and VSF are better suited for local, same-campus redundancy. STP is less efficient and slower in convergence. Therefore, ERPS plus VRRP forms a robust, distance-tolerant DCI solution. In EVPN-VXLAN design within each room of a data center, which routing protocol is used for advertisement? A. OSPF, B. IBGP, C. EBGP, D. is. The answer is B. For EVPN-VXLAN overlays within the same fabric or room, IBGP, internal BGP, is used to distribute MAC and IP address reachability information. This enables efficient Layer 2 and Layer 3 virtualization within a single autonomous system. OSPF or IS typically operate as underlay protocols, not for overlay advertisements. EBGP is reserved for inter-fabric or inter-site communication. Thus, IBGP ensures scalability and consistent route propagation inside the data center fabric. What technology ensures encrypted data transfer between untrusted sites? A. OSPF authentication. B. MACsec. C. GRE tunneling. D. MD5 encryption. The answer is B. MACsec, Media Access Control Security, encrypts Layer 2 Ethernet traffic, securing data in transit between devices even across untrusted domains. It protects against eavesdropping, replay, and modification attacks. OSPF authentication and MD5 are control plane protections, not data encryption mechanisms. GRE tunnels encapsulate packets but do not provide encryption by default. Therefore, MACsec provides confidentiality and integrity for sensitive data at line speed. Which switch model supports both ERPS and VSX for data center interconnect applications? A. Aruba CX5130. B. Aruba CX8100. C. Aruba CX8325. D. Aruba CX2930F. The answer is C. The Aruba CX8325 series is an advanced aggregation and core switch platform capable of supporting both VSX and ERPS technologies. These features make it ideal for DCI implementations that require both redundancy and loop-free Layer 2 connectivity. Other series such as CX8100 or 2930F lack the same feature set for enterprise-grade interconnects. The CX8325's high bandwidth and programmable architecture also align with large-scale data center needs. This makes it a preferred choice for multi-site designs. Which resiliency technologies provide default gateway redundancy on Aruba CX switches? A. VRRP, B. CVLAN, C. Transit VLAN, D. VSX active gateway. The answer is AD. Both VRRP, Virtual Router Redundancy Protocol, and VSX Active Gateway can provide Layer 3 gateway redundancy. VRRP creates a virtual router IP across two devices, ensuring gateway availability during failover. VSX Active Gateway extends this concept by allowing both peers to actively forward traffic, improving utilization and convergence. Transit VLANs and CVLANs serve different roles unrelated to gateway redundancy. Combining these technologies enhances uptime in critical environments. Which of the following technologies eliminates the need for spanning tree in a Layer 3 spine and leaf design? A. Trill, B. EVPN, C. Loopback VLAN, D. MSTP. The answer is B. In modern Layer 3 spine leaf architectures, EVPN, Ethernet VPN, with VXLAN overlays provides loop-free communication and eliminates the requirement for spanning tree protocol. EVPN manages network segmentation and redundancy through control plane learning, not flooding. Trill and MSTP are legacy protocols aimed at Layer 2 networks. Loopback VLANs are management constructs, not loop prevention mechanisms. Therefore, EVPN ensures scalable, efficient, and loop-free connectivity. When preparing final project deliverables after installation, which documents must be included for customer handover? A. Device datasheets. B. Project cost estimates. C. Archived configurations and inventory. D. Deployment timeline chart. The answer is C. Post-installation handover must include the final archived configurations and a full inventory list of deployed equipment. These documents allow customers to manage, back up, and maintain their network independently after deployment. Datasheets and cost details are typically provided during the proposal stage. Configuration archives ensure operational continuity and compliance with IT governance. Delivering these materials confirms that the solution has been successfully implemented and documented.